In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new bank account in Zoho Books. Whether you're new to Zoho Books or just need a refresher, this guide will help you add your bank account seamlessly, ensuring that your financial records are up to date and accurate. First, let's get started by navigating to the banking module. You'll find this on the left sidebar of your Zoho Books homepage. This module is designed to manage all your banking activities, providing you with an organized view of your finances. Once you're in the banking module, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see a button that says Add Bank or Credit Card. Click on it to begin the process of adding your new account. After clicking, you'll be prompted to select how you want to add your account. Choose the Enter Your Account Manually option. This step ensures that you have a clear, customized approach to setting up your account, especially if your bank doesn't automatically sync with Zoho Books. Next, it's time to specify whether you're adding a bank account or a credit card. This is an important distinction to make, as it affects how transactions are recorded and reconciled in your books. Take a moment to think about which type is appropriate for you, then select the correct option. Now, you'll need to enter a name for your account, along with choosing the correct currency. This is critical for accurate reporting and transaction processing. Make sure your account name is easily recognizable, especially if you manage multiple accounts. As for the currency, ensure it aligns with your bank's primary currency to prevent discrepancies down the line. The next step involves inputting essential bank details, the bank name, account number, and routing number if applicable. Be meticulous as you fill out this information, as errors could lead to future hiccups in your financial management. Double-check each field for accuracy, and keep in mind that some banks might not use routing numbers, especially outside of the United States. Finally, add any other necessary details that pertain to your account. This could include noting the type of account, any special conditions, or any other identifiers that are relevant. Once you've input all this information, click Save or Add to finalize the process. And there you have it, a new bank account added to your Zoho Books setup. Remember, keeping your financial data current is crucial for better business insights and smoother accounting operations. If you ever need to update your account information or add another account, simply follow these steps again. Thank you for joining me today, and feel free to explore additional resources on how to make the most of Zoho Books.